I wanna rock with you.
It's Brittany, and today I have another wig review for you guys. This wig review is brought to you by Iamahair.com. I have worked with them several times in the past. So the wig that I'm going to be doing a review on is by the company BESHE. I have never gotten a wig from that company, but I have heard it because back in the day, BESHE Drew was like the wig that everybody loved. I never got that wig. This is BESHE DP.ZEN, and I have it in the color RT4/Chai, and this is what RT4/Chai looks like. In my head, RT Chai would be like the root is a number 4 and then it goes into like a light chai color, the color of coffee or something like that, or latte. But this is gray. The root, I guess the root is a number 4, but the root, I don't know. That root looks like it looks gray to me, like a grayish brown color. And then the chai color it looks gray. Like even in person it looks gray. It has like some blonde, like warmer blonde streaks in there, but overall that looks gray. So I'm a little bit scared about this, but I think we can make it work. It does not come with any lace to cut. The rooting is not all the way through, which is a con, but you can always fix that with taking some mascara and running it through the root, or using Sharpie, but using mascara is always a lot easier. I have 2 combs around the parting space, and there is a curved part right there. You get about 3 inches of parting space right there. You get a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. The wig that I have on right now is that, I think it was like that 30-inch wig from Magic Lace that I did a few months ago. This thing is so long. This is my 2nd time wearing it since then. Yeah, but I've already have a review on that, and I'll put that in the description box if you guys are interested in this super long wig. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig on, manipulate it, and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like just plopped on my head. I think it looks crazy, but it does have potential. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I think something that's going to benefit this wig is to have some of my natural edges out and blend it with the wig. So what I would suggest to use is a toothbrush to get your edges together, and probably like a rat tail comb. If you use those, the toothbrush and the rat tail comb, if you don't have one of these edge brushes here, I got mine off of Amazon. They're super convenient because you can, you know, define your edges with the comb side and then like smooth them out with the brush. I just think that's really convenient. And when I lost mine, I immediately had to order another one because I think they're really good to have. So I want my edges to be pretty slick, so I'm going to use the Got to Be Glued in the black bottle. It's not as messy as the yellow bottle. It still feels gross on your hands, but it's not as bad. So I'm just going to take some of that All right, that's really all that I do. I'm not gonna do the front of the wig, but you can. So this is what the parting space looks like on this wig. It's not very, you can't really see it that well. I'm gonna pull just a little bit of hair out the front, and if you don't know how to do that, I have shown that in a recent video. I just take some of the hair, a few strands out at a time, like 3 or 4, no more than that. Twist it around my finger and then pull it out. I feel like this is supposed to be on the right side because it's like a L part wig. Take my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in 330 Toffee and put that in the parting space before I brush it out. I need to pull that comb down in the back. It was pretty easy to style, and after I took a paddle brush to it and brushed the curls out, I think this wig is actually pretty cute. Now this color is not necessarily something I would automatically gravitate toward, but I do think this is cute, and I think it's bold enough to wear with this bold eye look that I have going on, but I also think this would be cute with some natural makeup as well and give more of a spotlight to the hair. So you could do, you know, either way. I do think this curl and this cut is really cute, this messy bob look. I think this would be really cute if it was in a natural color. Some of the pros and cons. I am getting a little bit of shedding. I got a little bit of tangling like at the top when I was brushing through it. Okay, so I am getting some shedding with this wig, so it's moderate shedding with this wig, and I don't like that the root is not throughout. Since we are here, I guess I can do that. So I usually do this when it's off of my head, and I just take my mascara and I just run it through. Ugh. You can get it on the, when your hair is this light, it can get on the hair, so try to not do that if you can. And I just kind of rub it into the root of the wig. And this is a very messy process. You can use matte black eyeshadow instead if you want to, but this works for me. Also use the permanent marker. Now this is darker than the actual root of it, so you could change the color of the mascara that you use to make it work. So you can set that with matte black eyeshadow so it doesn't transfer as much, but I'm gonna take this off after the review, so I'm not gonna worry about that too much. All right, so I added that and it made it look a lot like more natural. So that's an easy fix. Barely had any tangling. I had a little bit when I was running my hands through like the bang area, but not much. Luster of it is natural, even though this feels like a yaki texture. It's not really coarse feeling like a true yaki, but I feel like it's a yaki texture, and it has a really nice soft luster to it. The hair itself is soft. Yeah, this is a very unique color. To me, it reads gray and has like a purple cast to it, but in person, it has streaks of blonde in it as well. So the density of this wig, I think it's a pretty medium density. Because it is on your neck and it's not like thin, it might make your neck hot, but this is a really cute bob length. I really think this is cute. I would like to have this in like a number 4 or number 2, just something more everyday, but I do think this kind of grayish color is really pretty. And I'm gonna give you guys a 360 so you see how long it is. On me, it's about 12 inches long, and I'm 6 feet tall, so I do have a longer neck than most people, so keep that in mind. So this is what it looks like in all directions. All right, so overall, I do think this is cute. It's definitely out of the box. This is for people that want to get outside the box and try something a bit more adventurous and bold. Yeah, so I want to thank Iamahair for sending me this wig to review for you guys, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Will you be trying this wig? I know it's different, but I do think it's pretty cute. The waves in this are really pretty. Yeah, so if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I am on there quite a bit, and a lot of times people on my Instagram know about, you know, different things that I purchased, or they knew about when I was getting my nose pierced before you guys did, because it's just easier to post little quick things on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at iFancyCupcakes, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.